Parameterized modules. In the previous session, you have learned about parameters and constants in Systemverilog. Now you will see how a module can be defined with parameters and how its instances can be created with different values of the parameters. To define a parameterized module, use the hash symbol after the module name, and list the parameters within a separate brackets from ports. Here is an example. The module name is FIFO, and its ports are CLK, RST, and WData. Before listing the ports, another pair of brackets are used after a hash symbol, and all parameters are listed. There are many variants of this declaration syntax, like in Verilog, the parameters are declared immediately after post list. But in general, this is a decent way of defining parameterized modules in Systemverilog. Also, it is possible to omit the parameter keyword in the port list as shown here. The syntax for instantiating parameterized modules is module name, hash, parameter list in brackets, and port list in brackets. The parameter list can explicitly specify the values of different parameters, in a similar way where ports can be connected explicitly. If you instantiate the parameterized modules without the parameter list, all parameters will take the default value specified in the module definition. Here is an example of defining and instantiating parameterized module. The module name is FIFO, and it got 3 parameters. Out of them, width and depth are value parameters, and dType is a type parameter. Default values are specified for all these parameters. Thus the default dType will be of logic width 1 down to 0. The port list uses these parameters. You can see that the size of input WData and output RData are equal to the parameter value width. After the port declaration, another parameter named ptr_width is defined using the keyword localparam. This parameter will be local to the module definition and will not be not available in the port list. If you use the parameter keyword instead of localparam, the effect will be the same as you have learned in the previous session. This is a common usage model, where parameters which are local to the module are derived from the port parameters as shown here. Now all port parameters and local parameters are available to use in the rest of the module. Its functional part is not shown here. Note that by default, the variable v1 will be of type logic 31 down to 0. 3 different styles of instantiation of the same module FIFO is shown here. The first instance named myFIFO1 is explicitly specifying all parameters. The second instance named myFIFO2 specifies only value to depth parameter, and here width and dType gets their default values. The third instance named FIFO3 lists values for first 2 parameters. In this instance, width will of value 64, depth will be of value 8, and dType will be of type logic 63 down to 0.